Hi, so in this session, I'm going to explain a formula named count. Alright, so just open the Excel sheet and you will find this option. So it would be like this: home. You need to select the formulas, and underneath formulas, you will find this auto sum. So select auto sum. Once you select auto sum, you will find sum, average, and then you will find count numbers. Right. So this count numbers, this count formula, it is used to um, uh, count how many numbers does it have. All right. So if you give three numbers, then it would show three total number of numbers, or three. If you give four numbers, then it would show four. All right. So I just select that formula count numbers, and you can see the pattern here. Right, it shows the pattern. um, See here, you can see the count. um, you can see the count formula, and then count equal count count keyword, and then you can see the value 1, value 2. These are all the values. Whatever the numbers you give, that would be taken as a value, and then it will count only the value, how many values are given, total number. If you give three numbers or four numbers or n number of numbers, that n number would be counted and that would be displayed. All right, this is the number 1. All right, this value would be taken as number 1, and this would be taken as number 2, and and it goes on. All right, so till the end of the close parenthesis, it will consider all the numbers, it will consider all the values as 1, and it will count all the so for each and every value, 1 would be added, 1 would be represented. So all the value representation, I mean all the how many, it will calculate how many numbers. So that, yeah, we will get to know how many numbers does it have. All right, so this I'm going to give three numbers. All right, three or four numbers. Just see, let's see. All right, so here I give 3, and then value 2 I give 2, and then I give 100. All right, and then I give 2. All right, that's it. So overall I have given 4 numbers: 3, 2, 100 and 2. It will not calculate, it will not add all the actual value. It will just it will see to it that how many numbers altogether that exist within this open and close parenthesis. So 3 is considered as one number, and 2 is considered as another number. So 1 plus 1, 2, and 100 is considered as another number. So for the, and 2 plus 1, 3, and then 2 is considered as one number. All right, so one value. So altogether it does have 4 values. All right, so the result would be 4. All right, so when I click on this tick mark, it would show 4. Let's see. All right, I have added the comma, that's the reason I'm going to remove it. Okay, it shows comma and then 2, and then I just close the parenthesis. It has to show. See, now you see only it shows 4, right? You can see the value 4. So you can see the value You can see the value 4, right? I believe you can see the value 4. So so the number you can see 4. So the count formula, it has counted how many values are inserted within the open and closed parenthesis, and it added all the values. So total number of values are 4, and it got displayed. All right, so that's it. So in this session we got to know a formula named count, that is used to count how many values that are given within the open and closed parenthesis, right? So this formula exists in Excel. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.